Yes, this is our QLQ newest model metal zipper polish machine. This machine output is about 500 to 600 meters per hour. It's suitable for both normal zipper teeth and the wide teeth. And it's suitable for number 3 to number 5 by one set machine, number 8 to number 10 by one set machine. So first let me explain the advantages for this newest model machine. The first advantage is you can see we set up this collecting wheel here. What's the function? When you change the new polishing wheel over the wheel after use some time, the size is a little different. For example, this size is the 10 cm, and this side is 9 cm. Okay, and then you can adjust this bar for polishing this wheel to be the center same. For example, here also 9 and here also 9. Okay, then it's no need for your technician to take the polishing machine to polishing the outside size, make it to be at the center. So no need to do that way anymore. We have set it up 4 pieces collecting wheel already. The second advantage for this machine is we combine two sets polishing machine function by one set polishing machine. Why we say like that? Look at this wheel. It's the brass wheel, polishing wheel, brass polishing wheel, and this is like a nylon polishing wheel. Okay, this material. Okay, so we can use these 4 pieces plus polishing wheel to do the lap polishing, and use this 8 pieces wheel to do the fine polishing and lip fine polishing. Okay, and then the third advantage is this machine can be, look at, you also can see the view situation from here very easily by this small window. Okay, by this small window. And the first advantage is this machine with the brass powder can suction motor already. Look at, it's no need to set up the brass powder can suction machine outside of this machine, and then you can see the brass powder come out from here. Okay, see, this is the small one. Okay, small one, small one, the brass powder. Okay, so it saves so much place for your factory. And this machine also is not so big. It also is very suitable for the factory who doesn't have so much area to put machine. So that is the advantage for this newest model polish machine. In next video, I will show you the machine working situation. Thank you.